आटा 2 किलो,
तेल 1 लीटर,
तेल 1 लीटर,
साबुन 1 टन। आशीर्वाद मिलेगा तो जैसे टन आप लोगों को,
हाँ
आशीर्वाद मिलेगा तो।
ठीक है ना।
इतना सामान आप लोगों को दे रहा है,
अच्छा,
दूसरी जगह में ऐसा नहीं देता है।
अगर कुछ रह गया और भी और ज़रूरत पड़ा तो हम थोड़ा खबर करेगा बाद में, आने वाला दिन में, ठीक है। Hey everyone,
Hello.
today is 24th of April
Yes.
2020 and today is our 5th wedding anniversary.
Yay.
Congratulations to us. Today we came out to distribute some relief materials. In the last couple of days, I've been visiting some areas where the government has been distributing relief material.
Yeah.
But we have come to know that many people have been left out. Many names have been left out, and they are really in need, especially daily wage earners. And during one of these visits, I met some chanawalas. We call them chanawalas here in Haflong. Ramdin Kaka is one of our like favorite chanawalas.
Yeah, he has seen us grow, me and my sister.
Yes.
So
Ramdin
yeah.
Kaka has seen most of us from this generation grow up since we were little kids. We were in school. We used to buy chana from him. So I met him and some of his people, and for the last 30 days, their business has been shut. Haflong ka aadmi lokun, when they want to celebrate, they go to the river, they go somewhere, thoda whiskey, thoda beer
Yeah.
le jata hai.
For Chakna,
And for Chakna, they take chana. So, आज सोचा कि we also give them back, and they give us so much joy. So we also give them back something, not much, but something.
Yeah.
Most of them are from Bihar
or UP.
or UP, and they've been living here for many years. And most of them like live together in the same area, in the same place. So we'll be going there. Okay. See you
Bye-bye.
there.
नहीं, वो actually वो
So we are back at home now. Today was a great day. Total हम लोग का आज में 10,000 चला गया, and वही हम लोग का सेविंग्स था इतना दिन का. And yes, हम लोग के पास ज़्यादा सेविंग्स नहीं रहता है. Whatever we get, whatever we earn, वो हम लोग का मंथली खर्चा में ही चला जाता है. And we are happy. That's the lifestyle we choose. And हम लोग को वैसे ही है lifestyle. हम लोग का ऐसे ही सिस्टम है. But the problem is we have been receiving a lot of phone calls every day. हम लोग का फोन्स आ रहा है हेल्प करने के लिए. द थिंग इज, ऐसा नहीं है कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी मदद नहीं जा रहा है. एनजीओस लोग भी कर रहा है, डोनेट कर रहा है, बहुत इंडिविजुअल्स लोग भी बहुत किया है. बट स्टिल लाइक ये जो लॉकडाउन हुआ है, इट हैज अफेक्टेड एवरीवन. एंड मोस्टली हम लोग को यहाँ में क्या है, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हुम यू कैन कॉल वेल्दी. यहाँ बोलने से तो मिडिल क्लास भी नहीं है. एक जो फ्यू रिच है शायद वो लोग ही अपर मिडिल क्लास है, और बाकी मेजोरिटी ऑफ द पीपल आर जस्ट very few people have savings. And the problem here is even people who are employees, they are also suffering because so many employees they have their pending salaries for months, some for 11 months, 10 months, 12 months also. So you can imagine all their savings have dried up. So it's a really difficult time right now. So what we want to do today is start a crowdfunding campaign, and we need your help. And this is our plan. We are just seeking 1,000 people who have connected with us and who are connected to us through all these platforms. 1,000 of you, if you can help us and donate only 100 rupees each, only 100 rupees, we would raise 1 lakh. Like with this 1 lakh rupees, we'll be able to help 200 people. So we are making 500 rupees worth ka packages, which will help at least for 2 weeks. With this amount, we can help a lot of people. And if people want to donate more than 100 rupees, that's fine. You're more than welcome to do that.
Then we can also help all the employees of the PHA department and
other departments
and other
also,
departments
maybe.
as well. And priority wise, we can also set a target once we start receiving the crowd fund.
And I know it's not a long-term solution, this kind of donations or helping people is not a long-term solution to so many problems that we have in society. But let this be a new start to a new world after this lockdown, a new economy, a new system where it's more of sharing, more of a barter system. #help a town with 100 rupees. Yes, you can help Haflong Town with only 100 rupees. And those who want to donate, please send a message and we'll send you the bank details or a Google Pay account. I think Google Pay is the easiest way. So yes, please get in touch with us and see you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye bye. 1, 2, 3, 4. Help a little town with 100 rupees. Just a little cut from your monthly fees. You can make a family smile. You can make Haflong so bright. A little bit of dal, a little bit of rice. Money is the cost, but love is the price. Lockdown will bring forth a brand new world where everyone is equal and no one is poor. Help a little town with 100 rupees. Just a little cut from your monthly fees. You can make a family smile. You can make Haflong so bright.